As the internet as we know it grows up and evolves, so does opportunity. But what are the best metaverse investments to make money in 2022 and beyond? First things first, what is the metaverse? The metaverse is the term we use to describe our growing digital world. Or, in other terms, it's the Internet version 2.0. It's the online world we live in, the online games we play, the online social networks we connect with, the online shopping we do, the online movies we watch, the online music we listen to, the online books we read, the online news we consume, and so much more. The metaverse is the digital world we experience every day. But it's also much more than that, and it's constantly expanding. The metaverse is already a part of our digital world, and it's already impacting our lives. Most of us don't even realize the extent to which the metaverse is already a part of our digital lives. We go about our days interacting with the metaverse without giving it much thought. We use it to communicate with friends and family without even realizing it. The metaverse provides a great opportunity for the development of the so-called digital currency. It is the idea of a currency which exists purely in digital form, without physical form, and is used to buy and sell goods and services. Crypto, the currency of the metaverse. In the world of the metaverse, cryptocurrency has become an important part of the digital economy. Cryptocurrency is the idea of a digital currency that is used within the metaverse. It is used to buy and sell goods and services, just like traditional currencies are used in the real world. Cryptocurrency is stored in digital wallets, which are accessed through the metaverse. One of the most exciting opportunities in the metaverse is the potential to use cryptocurrency to make payments and purchases within it. The first step in realizing this potential is to buy some cryptocurrency. There are many different cryptocurrencies to choose from, so it's important to do your research before investing. Some of the most well-known cryptocurrencies are Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. How do the people who are building the metaverse also have an interest in digital currency? It's one of those connections that are easy to miss. Many of the people who are trying to build the metaverse are also interested in developing digital currency. In fact, there is a group of people who are working directly on the development of a digital currency that has some ties to the metaverse. Digital currency is a term used to describe money that is exchanged or transferred online. In practice, this often means using a virtual wallet or a cryptocurrency exchange to send money to someone else. A crypto wallet is a way to store digital currency, such as bitcoins. The digital currency is stored in the crypto wallet, which is a virtual wallet. It is like a bank account or a safe. You can deposit money into the crypto wallet, withdraw money from the crypto wallet, and send money to other crypto wallets. Our top picks for trading and storing cryptocurrency are Coinbase and Ledger. Coinbase is the more beginner-friendly of the two. It's a digital wallet that allows you to buy, sell, and store cryptocurrency, as well as send and receive money. Coinbase is one of the most popular ways to buy crypto because of its reputation and the variety of payment options available. Coinbase is a secure site that's designed to make cryptocurrency as easy to use in real life as possible. It allows you to buy cryptocurrency with a bank account, debit card, or credit card. Click below to sign up and receive a $10 bonus upon buying or selling $100 in crypto, including fees. Ledger is a crypto wallet app built on the same technology used by banks and credit card companies to protect their customers' data. It can be used in conjunction with Ledger Nano, which is a cryptocurrency hardware wallet. It looks much like a USB drive and acts as a secure vault for your cryptocurrency, ensuring that only you can access your funds. The Nano can be used in conjunction with the Ledger apps to send and receive cryptocurrency. Find a link to Ledger's website in the description below. According to The Motley Fool, the 3 top cryptocurrencies worth investing in right now are the Sandbox, Decentraland, and Axie Infinity. Stocks and index funds. Right now is an excellent time to buy into companies that are contributing to the shaping and expansion of this new virtual world. Individual stocks, as well as index funds, are something worth looking into. You're probably familiar with the concept of individual stocks. In simple terms, stocks are a type of security that is used to represent ownership in a company or a part of a company, such as a share. Stocks are a common way to own a part of a company because they allow investors to buy ownership in a company without actually having to manage or run the business. This provides an easy way for investors with limited time or expertise to get exposure to a company's profits without having to worry about the day-to-day operations of the company. And because most large companies are publicly traded, almost anyone can buy a small piece of a company with relative ease. But what are index funds? Index fund stocks are a type of security that is tracked and traded just like common stock, but they're designed to provide investors with a way to diversify their portfolios and still keep costs low by tracking the performance of a particular index rather than attempt to outperform it. They tend to be less volatile than individual stocks, which makes them a good choice for investors who are worried about losing money in their portfolios but don't want to take on too much risk. They're a cheaper and more diversified way to invest in the stock market, and they offer the same returns as common stock but without the added risk. The most common type of index fund is an equity index fund, which invests in the stocks that make up the index. An index fund is designed to simply perform well, on average, relative to other stocks in its peer group. Some of our favorite options for trading and holding stocks are IQ Option and Plus 500. IQ Option offers trading in a variety of financial markets, including stocks, indices, commodities, and currencies. Unlike most other binary options brokers, traders on the IQ Option platform can also take advantage of a variety of trading strategies, including pattern trading and trend trading. Plus 500, on the other hand, is designed for maximum simplicity, allowing you to execute your trades with minimum clicks and maximum efficiency. The platform offers a variety of tools to help you monitor your performance and fine-tune your strategy as you go. You can use a variety of tools to keep an eye on the market, using the powerful market data to inform your strategy. Find links to both platforms in the description below. A few notable players which are certain to grow alongside the Metaverse. Matterport. Meta Platforms. Roblox. Unity Software. Digital Realty Trust. Virtual real estate. Virtual real estate is another emerging opportunity for anyone looking to capitalize on the development and expansion of the metaverse. No wonder it's making headlines in the news and in the financial markets. But what is it, and how do you buy it? Virtual real estate is digital land that can be co-owned or accessed through a digital platform. You can buy virtual land and build your digital house on it, just as you would with physical land. You can also earn a return on your investment by leasing your virtual land to other players, who use it to build their digital houses on. You can buy virtual real estate with cryptocurrency or traditional money. There are two main ways to buy virtual real estate: using a service like Open Realty, or by buying individual assets. Using an automated service like Open Realty is the easier option. The process of buying individual assets is more traditional, but can offer a better value if you know what you're doing. One notable option is Realty. Realty is unique in that it gives anyone the ability to become a virtual real estate agent by building what they call a tokenized real estate portfolio. The process of getting started is very straightforward. You can find out more on their website by clicking on the link in description.